Hi, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to flip an image on Photopea website. So all you need to do first of all, just go and open the browser that you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. So of course here in my case I'm actually using Brave, but of course in your case you can use any other browser, could be possibly working for you. So of course when you open your browser, just go here to the URL and type photopea.com and hit the enter button. That will take you into this page, which is going to be your home or your main screen. So from here you would like to click on new projects or open something from your computer. You can choose some of their PSD's templates, or you can just drop your file here and start working on it. For me, I'm just going to click at a new project here, and I'm going to choose the simple templates from here. And of course you will need to wait until it loads. So of course once it's loaded, you'll find your template right here, and of course the components of that template here at the right of this screen. So let's just wait until it loads and we're gonna be good to start. So here is it loaded now. Of course when it's loaded, you can just go and click at any components. You can move them, you can edit on them, as you can see. And of course if you make a move or a step, if you wish to go back, just hit the Control Z once, or you can hit it multiple times to go to the original template. So of course let me just delete those sixes and let's just insert an image from here. Let's just insert this as an example, and let's just close this option. And as you can see now we have, let's just make it like that. So of course we have this picture right here. So of course if you want to flip it, as you can see, if you go like you make the mouse right here, you can actually flip it manually like that. And as you can see, the picture is flipped. Or you can just of course select it from here, then just go here to edit and go to transform, then rotate it of course 90 degrees to the right or to the left, or you can just rotate it 180 degrees. And as you can see, it's now back to normal. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.